Namaste dear children, how are you all? I am Rekha. Welcome to my channel Rekha's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see NCERT Class 4 Maths Chapter 5 Sharing and Measuring Part 2. My flower garden. Ida has seeds of 5 different flowering plants: rose, mogra, lily, marigold and jasmine. So Ida, she has seeds from 5 kinds of flowers. Which are the flowers? The flowers are rose, mogra, lily, marigold and jasmine. She decides to plant them equally in her garden as shown in the picture. Either she wanted to divide her garden into equal parts and plant each type of flower in one part. See this picture here. The garden is equally divided into how many parts? 5 parts. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She decided to plant each type of flower in one part. See, in the first part rose, second part mogra, then in the third part lily, in the fourth part marigold, and in the fifth part jasmine. I have very few lily seeds, so I will plant roses in 2 parts. But later, Ida finds out that she doesn't have enough lily seeds to fill one whole part. So, what she did? She decided to use that extra part to plant more roses instead. That means roses will grow in 2 parts of her garden. See, roses in 2 parts of her garden because she has very few lily seeds. So, she decided to plant roses in 2 parts. So, in 2 parts, she decided to plant rose. Then, in one part mogra, in next part marigold and in the other part jasmine. Total how many parts? 5 parts. Her revised plan is shown here. She has very few lily seeds, so she made a new plan for planting her flowers. See, this is the new plan. 2 parts filled with rose. Then 1 part mogra, 1 part marigold and 1 part jasmine. Look at the garden and answer the questions. Mogra in 1 by 5 or 1/5 part of the garden. See this figure. Here the garden is divided into how many equal parts? 5 equal parts. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts. Mogra, see this is mogra. Mogra in 1/5 part of the garden or 1 by 5. 1 by 5 or 1/5 part of the garden. Then what about marigold? Marigold also 1/5 part of the garden or 1 by 5 part of the garden. Then what about jasmine? Jasmine, this is jasmine. This is also 1 by 5 part of the garden. Total 5 parts. Only 1 part contain jasmine. So jasmine in 1 by 5 part of the garden. Then what about rose? See, this part contains rose. This part also contains rose. So total 2 parts. So rose in 2 parts of the garden. 2 by 5 part of the garden. Total 5 parts are there. Out of these 5 parts, 2 parts contain roses. So rose in 1 by 5 and 1 by 5 part of the garden or total 2 by 5 or 2/5 part of the garden. See, here we have 1 by 5, And here also we have 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is 2 by 5. So 2/5 part of the garden we have rose plants. So in two parts we have rose plants, in one part mogra, then one part marigold, one part jasmine. Total 5 parts. Look at the garden and answer the questions. See this picture. Here how many parts are there? 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are there. In 3 parts we have rose plants. See, these 3 parts contain rose plants. One part mogra. One part marigold. So mogra in 1 by 5 part. See mogra, this is in 1 by 5 part of the garden. The next one marigold. Marigold in 1 by 5 part. Total 5 parts are there. Only one part contain marigold. So marigold in 1 by 5 part. Okay. Then what about roses? In how many parts we have roses? 3 parts. See, this is 1 by 5. Then this part is 1 by 5. Then this part is also 1 by 5. So total 3 out of 5 parts contain roses. So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 part, or a total of 3 by 5 or 3/5 part of the garden contain roses. So marigold 1 by 5 part, mogra 1 by 5 part. Then remaining 3 parts we have rose plants. So 3 by 5 part rose plants. Look at the garden and answer the questions. See this garden, how many total parts? 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 parts. One part marigold. Marigold in one part. Out of 5, one part contain marigold. Then remaining 4 parts we have rose plants. See, this part is 1 by 5. Then next part 1 by 5. The next part 1 by 5. The next part 1 by 5. So out of 5, 4 parts we have rose plants. So marigold in 1 by 5 part. Out of 5 parts, only 1 part contain marigold. The remaining 4 parts contain rose plants. So rose in 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, or a total of 4 by 5 or 4/5 part of the garden contain rose plants. See this picture. This garden is divided into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All parts contain rose. So rose in 5 by 5 part or the complete garden. See, this is 1 by 5. Next one is also 1 by 5. Each part is 1 by 5. Total 5 parts are there. So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. That is 5 by 5 part or the complete garden. Let us do. Make a flower garden with 7 flowering seeds: mogra, marigold, jasmine, rose, lily, hibiscus and periwinkle. Here we have 7 types of flower seeds. The names are mogra, marigold, jasmine, rose, lily, hibiscus, periwinkle. So here the garden is divided into 7 equal parts because there are 7 types of flowers. See, first one, marigold in 1/7 or 1 by 7, and rose and hibiscus in 3/7 part each. 3 by 7 part each. Total how many parts are there? Total 7 parts. The garden is divided into 7 equal parts. So, marigold in 1/7. Out of 7 parts, 1 part contains marigold. See, out of 7 parts, 1 part contains marigold. Then, what about rose and hibiscus? 3/7 part each. Rose in 3/7 part. That is, out of 7 parts, 3 parts contain roses. See, 3 parts we have rose plants. Then what about hibiscus? Hibiscus also 3/7 part. That is, out of 7 parts, 3 parts contain hibiscus. See, 3 parts contain hibiscus. So, marigold will be planted in 1 part out of 7. That means 1 by 7th of the garden. 1/7 of the garden. Then rose will be planted in 3 parts out of 7. That means 3/7 of the garden or 3 by 7 of the garden. What about hibiscus? Hibiscus will also be planted in 3 parts out of 7. That means 3 by 7 of the garden or 3/7 part. Next one, lily in 3/7, marigold in 2/7 and periwinkle in another 2/7. So, total how many parts are there? 7 parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The garden is equally divided into 7 parts. Lily in 3/7. So, out of 7 parts, 3 parts contain lily. See, in 3 parts we have lily. Then, what about marigold? Marigold in 2/7. Out of 7 parts, in 2 parts we have marigold. See, in 2 parts we have marigold. Then what about periwinkle? In another 2/7. That is, out of 7 parts, 2 parts contain periwinkle. So, lily takes 3 parts out of 7. That means 3 by 7 of the garden or 3/7 of the garden. Marigold takes 2 parts out of 7. That means 2 by 7 or 2/7 of the garden. What about periwinkle? Periwinkle takes 2 parts out of 7. That means 2 by 7 or 2/7 of the garden. Dream dosa designer. Karan makes dosas differently. He makes dosas based on the customer's choice with various toppings on a single dosa. Customers can choose from the following toppings. Karan, he makes dosas in a special or creative way. He makes dosas based on the customer's choice, what they want on their dosa. He adds different toppings to make each dosa unique. Sometimes one dosa can have more than one topping. Customers can select from the list of toppings. See, classic potato, spicy onion, chili paneer, tangy tomato. These are the toppings. Help Karan in making these special dosas. See this picture? Flavor of dosa, part of the dosa. Classic potato, 1 by 4 part of the dosa. See this picture? Classic potato, 1 by 4 part of the dosa. Here the dosa is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of 4 parts, 1 part we have classic potato toppings. Then spicy onion, 1 by 4 part of the dosa. See, this is spicy onion. Out of 4 parts, 1 part we have spicy onion. Then chili paneer, 1 by 4 part. See, this is chili paneer. Out of 4 parts, 1 part is chili paneer. Then next is tangy tomato, 1 by 4 part of the dosa. See, this is tangy tomato. Out of 4 parts, 1 part is tangy tomato. Here the dosa is divided into 4 equal parts. 1 part classic potato, 1 part spicy onion, 1 part chili paneer, 1 part tangy tomato. Do it yourself. Write the fractions for each of the toppings in the following dosas. See first one. See, 1 is chili paneer, 2 is classic potato. See, this dosa is divided into how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal parts. 1 represents chili paneer. So, how many parts contain chili paneer? See, this is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts contain chili paneer. So, out of 6 parts, 4 parts contain chili paneer. So, fraction is 4 by 6. Then, 2 represents what? Classic potato. See, this is classic potato. 1. This is classic potato. How many parts? 2 parts. 2 parts we have classic potato. Out of 6 parts, 2 parts we have classic potato. That is fraction is 2 by 6. Next one. See this dosa? This dosa is also divided into 6 equal parts. Then 1 represent tangy tomato, 2 represent classic potato, 3 represents spicy onion. Then what about fraction of tangy tomato? See, this is 1. So 1, 1, then 2, only 2 parts. 2 parts contain tangy tomato. So out of 6, only 2 parts. So 2 by 6 is the fraction. The next one, 2 represents classic potato. See, how many parts are there? This is 1, 2. So classic potato, 2 parts. 2 by 6. Fraction is 2 by 6. Out of 6 parts, 2 parts we have classic potato. Then 3 represents spicy onion. Okay. So this is 3. This is also 3. So 2 parts. So out of 6, 2 parts spicy onion. So fraction is 2 by 6. Similarly, we can do the remaining figures. See, 1 represent spicy onion. So, see this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts we have spicy onion. So, fraction is 4 by 8. Here, the dosa is divided into 8 equal parts. So, out of 8 parts, 4 parts we have spicy onion. Then, what about tangy tomato? Number 2 represents tangy tomato. See, this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, fraction is 4 by 8. Out of 8 parts, 4 parts we have tangy tomato. So, fraction is 4 by 8. See the last picture. 1 represents tangy tomato, 2 represents classic potato, 3 represents spicy onion. So, here the dosa is divided into how many equal parts? 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dosa is divided into 6 equal parts. Then, First, we have to find the fraction of tangy tomato. See, 1, then only 1. So, out of 6 parts, only 1 part contain tangy tomato. So, fraction is 1 by 6. Then, what about classic potato? 2 represents classic potato. See, 1, 2. So, fraction is 2 by 6. 2 by 6. Then, what about spicy onion? 3 represents spicy onion. See, 1, 2, 3. So, fraction is 3 by 6. Out of 6 parts, in 3 parts, we have spicy onion. Now, you can make different dosas based on demand. See, first one, make a dosa with 2 by 3 or 2/3 topping of spicy onion, 1/3 of classic potato. So, you have to make a dosa such that it should be equally divided into 3 parts. Out of 3 parts, 2 parts we have spicy onion and in 1 part we have classic potato. See, this is the dosa. We divided the dosa into 3 equal parts. Then 2/3 topping of spicy onion. Out of 3 parts, 2 parts contain spicy onion. See, 2 parts contain spicy onion. Then 1/3 of classic potato. Out of 3 parts, 1 part contains classic potato. Next one, make a dosa with the 3 by 8 of classic potato, 1 by 8 of chili paneer and 4 by 8 of tangy tomato mix. So, here we have to divide the dosa into 8 equal parts like this. How many equal parts are there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then, tangy tomato, 4 by 8. Out of 8 parts, 4 parts contain tangy tomato mix. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts contain tangy tomato. Then what about classic potato? 3 by 8. Out of 8 parts, 3 parts contain classic potato. Then what about chili paneer? 1 by 8. Out of 8 parts, 1 part contains chili paneer. Like this. Let us explore. Meena has 8 diyas. Color 1 by 4 of her diyas red. To find 1 by 4, let us divide the number of diyas into 4 equal parts. Meena has 8 diyas or small lamps. Color 1 by 4 of her diyas red. We have to find 1/4 or 1 by 4th of Meena's 8 diyas and color them red. To find 1 by 4, let us divide the number of diyas into 4 equal parts. We have 8 diyas. We have to divide the 8 diyas into 4 equal parts. Each group must have same number of diyas. Can you see how to divide the diyas into 4 equal parts? We should count carefully and make 4 groups of equal size. See this figure? How many diyas are there? There are 8 diyas. We have to divide the diyas into 4 equal parts such that each group must contain same number of diyas. So total 8 diyas we have to divide into 4 equal parts. See like this. We have to divide this into 4 equal parts such that each group contains same number of diyas. See what is 8 divided by 4? 2. So each group contain 2 diyas. Each group contain 2 diyas. So there are 2 diyas in each part. Now color 2 diyas red. We have to color 1/4 of her diyas red. What is 1/4 of 8? 8 divided by 4 is 2. So, we have to color 2 diyas red. So, we have to color 2 diyas red. Because 1/4 of 8 is 2. 8 by 4 is 2. Let us do. Now let us try to find fractions for the situations given below. Circle the appropriate parts in the pictures. So we have to find the appropriate fractions. See first one, there are 12 cookies. See this picture, how many cookies are there? 12. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 cookies. What fraction of cookies will each get if the number of children are as follows? We have given some options. See first one, if there are 3 children, then what fraction of cookies will each get? There are 12 cookies. We have to divide the cookies equally among 3 children. So, each child will get how many cookies? See, what is 12 divided by 3? 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, each child will get how many cookies? 4 cookies. See, first child, then second child, third child. Okay. So, each child will get 4 cookies. Next one, 6 children. So, there are total 12 cookies. Number of children, 6. So, each child will get 12 divided by 6, that is 2 cookies. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Each child will get 2 cookies. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6. Next case, 2 children. Total 12 cookies. 12 cookies should be divided among how many children? 2 children. So, what is 12 divided by 2? 12 divided by 2 is 6. So, each child will get 6 cookies. Okay. Each child will get 6 cookies. Like this. First child, second child. Next, 4 children. So, we have 12 cookies. 12 cookies must be shared among how many children? 4 children. So, what is 12 divided by 4? 12 divided by 4 is 3. So, each child will get 3 cookies. See, first child, second child, third child, fourth child. So, each child will get 3 cookies. Next one, Simran calls her school friends for her birthday party. 1/3 of her friends receive a hairband as a return gift. Place hairbands on 1/3 of her friends. So Simran has invited her friends from school to celebrate her birthday. After the party, Simran gives return gift to her friends. If she divides all her friends into 3 equal groups, one group will get hairbands. So we have to place hairbands on 1/3 of her friends. See this picture? How many friends are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 friends. 1/3 of her friends receive hairbands. So what is 1/3 of 9? That is 9 divided by 3. What is 9 divided by 3? It is equal to 3. So only 3 got hairbands. See. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Total 9 friends. 1/3 of 9 is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So only 3 friends got hairbands. Draw flowers in 1/5 of the given number of pots. See here total how many pots are there? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total 15 pots. We have to draw flowers in 1/5 of 15 pots. What is 1/5 of 15? That is 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3 equal to 3. So we have to divide the pots into 5 equal parts. See, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Only 1 out of 5 parts contain flowers. So only 3 pots contain flowers. Total 15 pots. 1/5 of 15 contain flowers. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. So only 3 pots contain flowers. Kadamba is excited to know where we use fractions in daily life. Kadamba wants to learn how fractions are used in real life. She found some examples below. Kadamba has already found some examples. Help her find more examples and try to draw the images of the same in your notebook. She needs our help to find more. We can also draw pictures to show how fractions work in those examples. First one, yesterday mummy asked to divide a box of burfis into 4 equal parts. So there is one box of burfis or sweets and mummy wants to divide them equally into how many groups? 4 groups. There are 16 burfis in the box. The total number of burfis is 16. So we have to divide 16 burfis into how many equal parts? 4 equal parts. Draw a picture of 16 burfis and find 1/4 of the whole. So we can draw 16 burfis. See, like this. 16 burfis we can draw. Then, and find 1/4 of the whole. To find 1/4, we divide them into 4 equal groups. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups? 4 equal parts. 4 groups. So, total how many burfis? 16 burfis. We have to divide the 16 burfis into 4 equal parts. So, what is 16 by 4? 16 divided by 4 is 4. So, each part contains 4 burfis. So, 1/4 of 16 burfis is 4 burfis. There are 4 burfis in each part. Rohan has a piece of ribbon to decorate his notebook. Rohan has one long ribbon that he wants to use for decoration. Mohan's ribbon is 1/4 as long as Rohan's ribbon. Mohan also has a ribbon. Mohan's ribbon is 1/4 as long as Rohan's ribbon. This means Mohan's ribbon is shorter than Rohan's. It is only 1/4 the length of Rohan's ribbon. How long will Rohan's ribbon be? Draw it. Mohan's ribbon is given. It is only 1/4 as long as Rohan's ribbon. So, Rohan's ribbon will be 4 times Mohan's ribbon. See, this is Rohan's ribbon. Children, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We will see in the next video. Thank you.